and a very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
I would like to say thanks to Global Spoken English for giving me an opportunity to hone my pronunciation skills. My name is Neha. I belong to Motivational. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I am going to deliver a speech on never compare yourself to others. I would like to start my speech with some beautiful heart-touching lines. You do some work postponed for 1 day, so 10 days will just pass by. यदि आप किसी काम को एक दिन के लिए टाल दीजिए, यदि आप किसी काम को एक दिन के लिए टाल दीजिए, तो 10 दिन यूं ही निकल जाएंगे. Any person works on the path of success at the same time when it is determined that he will be successful. कोई व्यक्ति उसी वक्त सफलता की राह पे चल पड़ता है तो दृढ़ निश्चय कर लेता है कि वह सफल होगा ही. No one is perfect. Everyone has their challenges behind closed doors. Everyone has qualities and things they need to work on as well. So when you are comparing yourself to everyone else, then remember that these people are not perfect. No one is. They don't have it all figured out. They have bad times and don't always look that great. But usually you don't get to see that side. So next time you start to compare yourself to another, if it seems like everyone around you may have more than you or what you consider to be a great life, know that your life get and be better by being better. Before ending my speech, I would like to say some beautiful lines in Hindi. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसले से उड़ान होती है. I look at top with a special thanks to you all wonderful people for listening to me with great passion. Thank you so much and have a good day.
बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता. अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है. तो बहन भाइयों, देर किस बात की,